Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sandra and this is my story. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button if you like this video and turn on the notification bell to see my videos every Tuesday. In today's video, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial for hooded eyes. I know hooded eyes are special, and that's why my ambition, guys, was to learn how to do my makeup on my hooded eyes. And then I actually realized that I like to do makeup for other people as well, so I started to be a makeup artist, like to study and to become a makeup artist and to do this for a living. But before that, a lot of people around me were saying that if you have hooded eyes, you can't wear eyeliner. And I was like, but why? I couldn't understand. And even when I started to study makeup, a lot of trainers told me that they don't recommend to apply eyeliner for hooded eyes because they have hooded eyes have a different shape and it's quite hard to apply a proper eyeliner. The line will be broken, the wings won't be symmetric, and other things like that. And I was like, who are you to tell me this? And who are you to discourage my desire to learn how to apply eyeliner on hooded eyes? And no one actually showed me how. And this was one of my own main frustrations. And I started to learn by myself. I started to apply the eyeliner in a wrong way, of course, and it took me a few months applying eyeliner every day until I realized how to do the proper wing and how to apply the eyeliner and how to adapt the application for hooded eyes. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do it if you have hooded eyes, just like me. I'm gonna show you how to do it, and hopefully you will find this video really useful and really helpful. My advice for you guys is to practice. This is the secret. You don't need an expensive eyeliner, like an expensive product. You don't need someone else to show you how, like physically to show you how. You just need to practice. If you want to see how I've created this eyeliner makeup look, then please keep on watching. The first step is to choose your favorite eyeliner. It doesn't matter if you are happy with it. I usually use this kind of pen eyeliners. For today I have the liquid eyeliner from Illamasqua and the Black Ink Classic Line Felt Liner from Sephora Cosmetics. I don't usually like those kind of gel eyeliners. I have a few of them, but I don't know, I don't feel comfortable to work with those. I feel comfortable to apply those on my clients though. I don't know, I don't have any explanation for this, but usually I use this kind of pen eyeliners, and I choose a very pigmented shade because usually when you have hooded eyes, the eyeliner will get transferred on the eyelid, and we don't want that. So when we start to draw the line or the wing, try to stop blinking for a few seconds just to make sure that the eyeliner is drying very quickly, and then you can continue applying mascara or falsies and so on and so forth. I'm gonna zoom in now for you guys to see my eyes. Something like this, and usually I like to start from the outer corner. You will see a dot right here because I actually forgot to hit the rec button, and I realized when I was literally starting to draw the wing, and I was like, oh my god, this is not happening. So luckily I realized and I hit the rec button before starting to do the actual makeup look. So just so you know, I start from the outer corner, I draw the wing, and then I continue the eyeliner to the inner corner. When I apply the eyeliner, my eyes are open and usually I look straight because it helps me to create the exact line and to make sure that my both lines or wing, let's call them wings, my both wings will be similar. And I think that the hardest part is to create that symmetry, but I will show you that it's really easy. So I start from the outer corner to draw a line upwards, and now it's up to you. If you want to draw the line straight, then it's fine, but I don't recommend it. I recommend you to find the right angle to make sure that the line won't be broken when you keep your eyes open, because if you close your eyes and you try to draw the line, you will see that the line will be interrupted from the moment you open your eyes. So I'm gonna try to draw this line, and I'm gonna go and I'm gonna stop the line, let's say half distance between my end of the eyebrow and my outer corner, because then if you want a longer line, or if you want a thicker line, you can go and complete it with the eyeliner. But for now, this is our line. If we didn't have hooded eyes like this, the line was almost perfect. But when we keep our eyes normal, this line is kind of like this, you see? So now what we are trying to do is to create the perfect wing for hooded eyes. The next step is to draw another line to the, let's say, half of the eye. So you can draw a point anyway, or to make a sign or something. Draw another line to here, like this. Now if we open the eyes, you'll see that this line is not perfect at this point, so we're gonna just fill in this triangle. The next step is to draw another line, or to make the wing thicker on the outer corner. And if you want to wear a longer line or a longer wing, you can go up. I will make it a bit longer because I like a very thick eyeliner, and I will make sure that here on the outer corner I have an angle instead of a curve. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is to make this line thicker. And then to make sure that when I close my eye, here I have a perfect triangle, like this. Now, if you want to go with the eyeliner to the inner corner, then it's fine. Usually I keep it like this. I stop the line at my, well, half of the eye basically. And this is the most easiest way to apply the eyeliner. Of course, you can apply eyeliner on your waterline, or you can go and create that cat eye in the inner corner. You can do whatever you want and whatever you like, but this is the easiest and the most common way to wear eyeliner for hooded eyes. Let me do the same thing at this eye without talking, just focusing on what I need to do, and I'll be back in a minute. Something like this, guys. As I said, I like to wear my wings pretty thick, so this is the final look. I'm gonna apply mascara. I'm gonna apply some falsies because you know how much I love to wear false lashes, and I'll be back with the final impressions. And this is the final look, guys. This is how I apply my eyeliner for my hooded eyes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this look. Spread the beauty, take care, and see you next time. Bye!